Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the information technology class. In last class I have told you about the components of communication. What are the different components of communication? Then communication process. Okay. Then I have told you about the feedback, importance of feedback. What is feedback? What is the importance of feedback? All these things we have. And what are the characteristics of effective feedback? Okay, like clarity, well timed, then impersonal, informative, all these things we have discussed in last class. Today we will see the different types of feedback. Okay, so mainly there are different three types of feedback or four types of feedback. Number one, formal and informal feedback. Then descriptive feedback, specific and non-specific feedback, and written feedback. Now, formal and informal feedback means what? Formal feedback, which follows a specific structure, preset format or preset structure, using which the receiver frames feedback and sends it to the sender. Okay, so it covers many predefined points and has a specific blueprint, because formal feedback takes time to construct, and hence it is instant. It is not instant. Okay, because it takes a time. It's not instant message. Okay, so this is formal feedback. And informal feedback means that is in spontaneous frame. This type of feedback is spontaneously, like it doesn't stick to a specific structure. Okay, such as instant comments by the listener or audience. It doesn't take time to construct, because it is instantly conveyed. Just for example, you can say that is suppose the teacher told that congratulations on scoring A plus in your final term exam, in your final term exam, and you are promoted to your next class. That is formal, which is written on your progress report, suppose. Okay, so these are formal, predefined format, predefined structure. But if this sentence you will say informally, then what happened? What will you say? What will the teacher say? Teacher will say, yes, good job, congratulations. So this is informal. Understand? Formal and informal. Next one is specific and non-specific. Specific means what? Which talks about a thing or a point particularly without talking about a general overview. Okay, like I like the way you describe this your mother's character. It makes me feel like I know her too. Okay, so this is the uh, specific talking. But if it is specific feedback, but if it is non-specific feedback, then how will you say, I like your story, it's good? So it is non-specific. Nothing specific is given here, just general overview. So specific and non-specific. Specific means you have seen that is a particular point, particularly without talking about a general overview. It is a point, to the point it is talking. And whereas non-specific, about the entire thing while giving a general overview. It doesn't particularly pinpoint a specific thing. Okay, because you have seen, I like your story, it's good. That means what? It's not a specific. Which story, which topic you like, what you have liked in her story, in that story. Is it handwriting? Is it vocabulary? Or is it the story, writing? So what you like in this story, that is not specific. But if you have told, I like the way you described your mother's character here in your story, it makes me feel like I know her too. That is a specific, that mother's part, you like that. So this is specific and non-specific. Understand? Next one is written feedback. Written feedback, it should be honest assessment of the message. It should be realistic in order to be meaningful. Okay, in a language that is easily understandable here. Timely, so that it is paired close to the event. Then specific and actionable. Constructive instead of being merely critical. So these are the written feedback. Okay. Next one is descriptive and non-descriptive feedback. Descriptive feedback, on the contrary, provides meaningful information in a detailed, expressive manner that also contains some analysis or suggestions here. That is descriptive feedback, like a paragraph, that is a descriptive feedback. Okay. And non-descriptive, it provides some specific information but doesn't give details of description. Detailed description it doesn't give. The feedback conveys meaningful specific response but doesn't come with descriptive analysis or suggestions. That is descriptive. And non-descriptive. Descriptive means like a paragraph where you have given a details, and non-descriptive, it is specific but not in details. Okay. Non-descriptive means I only liked your second paragraph. That is non-descriptive. Others need improvement. Specific. Second paragraph is a specific but not descriptive. It is not a descriptive. But when you are writing a full paragraph and you are telling about the whole paragraph, then that is descriptive. Okay. So these are the different types of feedbacks. So in next session, today we have completed this feedback. Next session we will see about the effective communications. So what is the principle of effective communication, what are the different types of effective communication, and then barriers. Okay. So what are the barriers in communication? When you will talk with the person, then what are the barriers, that we will see on next session. Okay. So read the book properly, listen the video, and wherever you have got problem, ask me in comment box. Okay. So thank you. That's all today.